Good morning, first graders. All week long, we've been learning about authors' purpose, the reasons why authors create their stories or write their books. And the two stories we listened to this week, well, one was a book and one was a video, was Clark the Shark, which we said the purpose of the author was to entertain us, to make it a fun read, and to persuade us to be kind. We also watched the video about pandas, in which the creator or author of that video's purpose was to inform us, to give us new and interesting information about pandas. The story that you just listened to was called How to Catch a Unicorn. And the purpose of this story was, well, first, you may say it was a fun read, it was entertaining. So like we've said before, authors can have more than one purpose to create their story. So the purposes for the author that wrote How to Catch a Unicorn could have been to entertain, but also it was a how-to book. And it was a silly how-to book, but the author did give you some steps explaining how to catch a unicorn. And today, for ELA, you're going to write your own super short how-to. And I've written my own how-to on how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So here's my how-to story on how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. First, you get out bread, peanut butter, jelly, and a butter knife. Next, you spread the peanut butter on one piece of bread. Then, you spread the jelly on another piece of bread. Finally, you close the bread together to make a sandwich. So when you make your how-to story, you can make it about anything you want, anything that you know how to do, whether that's build with Legos, whether that's how to color, how to read a book, how to tie your shoes, anything that you want, that you know the steps how to do. Now, when you're writing your how-to story, you just want to make sure that you have these blue words that I've put in here. These are our transition words. And then you also just want to make sure that your sentence has our sentence swag. Starts with a capital letter, written neatly, a space between each letter, and you give punctuation at the end. So make sure once you've done that, you go ahead and click the seesaw button so you can either take a picture of your work or video you reading it. If you want to video yourself reading it and send it to me, we can put you on the slides as a rock star reader, because we haven't gotten too many of those this week. So hopefully we can hear some of your how-to stories. And that's our ELA for today, Thursday, and we will see you tomorrow.